we are team Techno. We have created a design thinking project. But before I get on to the project, let's identify the problem solution. What's really the problem faced by users in the market? Well, we have identified that users are unable to look a solution to their problem through a simple web search. Most of the users do not know the right set of keywords to fetch the ideal results from their search engine. Secondly, the users also cannot describe their problem that can be best described through a visual description. Now, in order to bridge this gap in the market between users looking for solutions on the internet and going through web pages, scrolling endlessly and getting nowhere, we have put together an application called C.O.E.U.S. C.O.E.U.S stands for Cognitive Omniscient Expert User System. As the name suggests, this application is an intelligent assistant. What it does is allow the users to click a picture of their problem and upload it onto this application. Thus, that picture is processed in the background to find out what the depicted problem is. Once the problem has been identified, this application results in a text-based solution for the user. It also searches across the web to find a relevant solution to a user's problem. In this way, it eliminates the need for the user to know the right set of keywords and also to go through a multitude of web pages endlessly. Now, we have identified the problem and we have talked about what the application really does. Now, who are the potential customers for this application? We have identified the potential customers for this application to be housewives, teenagers, elderly couples. This application also finds use in a small cafeteria, small school, or small hospitals, where the regular staff can use this application to fix their everyday, day-to-day problems. Take a look at what goes on behind the scenes of this application. My friend is going to explain the technical working of this application.
Hello everyone, so I'm Ekansh and we'll give you the working, how our application works, the front end and the back end, along with the APIs that we have. So first let's build a box for our front end. Yep. And the one for our back end. So our front end consists of a Flutter application which accepts both images and text as inputs. So imagine a user named Bob right here, just like this small cute stick now. So what Bob has is, he has an issue. Imagine a broken chair or maybe something else. What Bob can do, either he can provide us image of that issue or text. Both of these work nearly the same way. So our backend consists of first a Flask application in Python. And what this Flask app does is it handles two AIs. The first one is C.O.E.U.S and second is ChatGPT. ChatGPT uses the GPT-4 model. We have an API key. So what our application will do is it will take the input from Bob, and what if he provides us an image. So the image will go to the C.O.E.U.S text to image captioning. Image to text captioning. What C.O.E.U.S will do, it will translate the image, get all the data and convert it to text. For example, a broken chair. It will tell us that the chair is of oak wood and it has one broken leg. So what C.O.E.U.S will do, it will create this text and return it to the application. Then the application will take this text and send it to ChatGPT, or either if Bob provides this text, it works the same way. The text is then given back to ChatGPT to provide us possible solutions. Now what ChatGPT can do is, in the background, we created a prompt for ChatGPT to provide us first solutions that it think will be the best for the problem. Second, links to communities like LTT forums, or it could be Reddit, or it could be Tom's Hardware. Along with this, it also provide iFixit forums. These are the best available forums in the market. So possibly someone must have posted a similar issue and people would have replied to it. So the ChatGPT prompt will give us these all information and return it back to the front end. So provide Bob with all possible solutions it can do. In either case, it works the same way. With an image, we have more data to translate and perform our processing with, and with text, we can give a basic example or imagine a basic solution to our application. So now, giving more emphasis to image to text captioning, we are using the Salesforce LAVIS model, which is a language vision intelligence model. So it has a lot of features, including image captioning and image classification. We are using the C.O.E.U.S model, and it is basically deployed on a railway deployment here named Wretched Draw Coswana. We have a Flask app connected to it, so it will give us all the outputs and return them in the API as we're using it. So let's go and have a small run through how it works. So first, we use torch and PIL to convert the image to RGB. And let's get one image, for example, this tall image, the sunshine. Let's see how well it works in getting what it is. So we are running it right here. We've used the .jpg, it's in the root directory. And let's just wait. It's downloading all the models it's needed. This is a one-time procedure, so it does not take that much time to calculate every process or every request. So I guess it's working now. Model or generate image. Yes, a golden retriever, the breed of a dog, laying in the grass with its tongue out. This is very accurate regarding the image output. So that's the power of LAVIS. Thank you.
So, greetings everyone. I am Acharya, and I will be presenting the current state-of-art products that lie close to the C.O.E.U.S. Thinking about similar products, only two of them come to our mind. That is Google Lens and Reddit. Starting from Google Lens, what Google Lens does is it clusters similar images throughout the web, images similar to the image provided by the user, and then presents it to the user in a form of a list. So what happens here is that as it is clustering, it is providing results on the basis of image clustering. The results are usually irrelevant to the problem that the user is trying to solve. Hence, it needs further improvement, and there is scope of advancement in Google Lens. Now coming on to Reddit. What Reddit does is, it is the frontal page of the internet, and it has a large user base, and as it is a kind of a social community, large social community in which the users are free to post anything. There are many solutions available, and for certain problems which other users do usually face. But the problem with Reddit is that it has certain bias, and it is mostly opinionated, and also it does not have a solution-based approach, which is required when a user is going for solving a specific problem on the internet. So what we are providing in C.O.E.U.S is the best of the two worlds, as we provide the users an AI through which they can get their desired specific results, and also a community in which those results or those solutions can also be discussed upon, and hence combining the both of them, we get a beautiful application which would be far more relevant than Reddit and Google Lens to our users, and hence making it a really meaningful project. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, now you know how the application works in the background. We recommend you to check out this application. You can find this on our GitHub page. Also find us on LinkedIn to check out our post on this application. We hope you liked this video and would love to check out our application C.O.E.U.S. Thank you for watching this video, and do share it with your friends if you found it useful.